guys, I just thought, I think yesterday seen me put that in, wasn't properly shown, but when I do the other one, because I got to put the other one here in this panel, but it's a bit rainy, it starts and stops, so I'm going to wait a bit. But yeah, I've got to build this. It is what? Sunday the 21st, I think it is. On Sunday, yeah, this is today, Sunday. We've got to build this because we're planning to go away the weekend, 1st of August. So in 2 weeks' time, I've got to get this van, as you can see. My daughter's bed's already made a little bit, but I'm going to change it. So this van here, it's got to be practically ready. I do have windows for the side. I've got one. I've ordered one. I've ordered 2 windows. And to save myself £100, one's still delayed. They can't tell me when it's going to come, but if they don't tell me on Monday, then I'm going to put a complaint in eBay and say, been 2 weeks now, I need the windows. Otherwise I'll be putting the windows in this weekend. So it looks like next weekend I'll have to do it, and then it'll just be a rush job, so I might not even film doing that. But yeah, so I'm just cutting on the ceilings here, I'm putting them in pieces, so let me just show you around that way. Just say for the skylight, so from here it's half there and up to that batten there. So I'm cutting it out. I just mark the holes with the drill there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to see if it goes in here, because I keep measuring and thinking, oh, that's not right. And then just put that plywood there. Then I've got to insulate this, that, finish doing that, up to this batten here, halfway. And then I can't do that one yet because that's the skylight, and I can do the back one. And then it's just about putting the insulation in there. It's already got insulation in, but I'm going to put some white stuff in. Put it on my daughter's bedroom there. There. There are going to be cupboards along that bit there. Are going to be cupboards. And then there's going to be a cupboard along here. This bit here, this area here, is going to be the bathroom area. It might be a bit shorter than it is because it looks quite wide actually along that, but we'll see. I might do it a bit smaller. But yeah, that's roughly the idea. So yeah, so in 2 weeks' time I've got to get this sort of camping thing. Well, this is the kitchen area. Yeah, obviously it's powered up. I have got a cooker there, which I got to cut out in the worktop and stuff like that. And then got a sink to fit, but then this gives me a bit more room and that for when I'm cooking and stuff, because I want more room so then I can make more things like bake. So yeah, I want to bake stuff. So yeah guys, so now just gonna like I said, just got to do the wiring. I've done that one, so I've got to put the plywood. Once I cut the plywood out, then I can put the cover on, because this one's got lights on it. So it's going to be a bit like a higgledy-piggledy, but once the plywood's up, I said I'll just fasten the wiring still to the lights, and then put all the earth together and run it down. And it run down here. I have got a fuse box, so I'm going to put in, I bought a 12-bladed fuse box, which I think it should be enough. So I've got to get all the rest of this lot done. So watch this space, guys. That's all I can say is watch this space. And I could record it all and that, but I'm not going to do. I'm just going to let you know once I put them up and done it. And then I'll just do pictures and do a little video of what I've done. Right guys, I best crack on and I'll speak to you later. Bye. Right guys, back again speaking to you. Got fire going. It's been raining outside. There's the van. I can't get a van in here, so obviously I look and do stuff that's inside. So now I'll just spin you around. I am building my bed. So that's going to be, it's 5.5 foot long. I want it high enough, 18 inches. Might be seen a bit high, but that's what I want. So now I'm going to be doing this. And yeah, build my bed, cut to the length.